Behind the smiles and Broadway-style shows lies a playbook passengers never see. If you want smarter sailing insights, subscribe to Cruise Adventure and hit the bell for updates. In this guide, we'll surface 9 crew-confirmed secrets, from passenger profiling and casino math to food logistics, shore tour safety, and hidden ship havens, plus one powerful truth about the people who keep the magic afloat, so you can sail smarter. Number 9. Hidden gems on board. Think beyond the crowded pool and buffet line. Every ship hides quiet corners and secret view spots that transform your sailing from hectic to heavenly. Veterans seek out unmarked observation decks near the bow and tucked away lounges behind art galleries or photo studios. On some newer ships, you'll even find speakeasy-style venues behind unassuming doors. They're rarely on the map and often discovered by word of mouth. Timing is everything. The best moment to enjoy headline amenities, main pools, hot tubs, fitness center, is a port day, when thousands go ashore. Early mornings on sea days offer a similar calm. Grab coffee and claim a silent nook with a wake view at the aft. Late evening works too. While the theater is full, the spa relaxation area, promenade decks, and adults-only zones tend to empty out. How to find them fast? Ask the crew you actually interact with: your room steward, a bartender, an entertainer. They know the ship's true hideaways and are usually happy to share a favorite sunset spot. Walk the edges, forward and aft on higher decks, and follow any crew-only adjacent corridors with public branches. You'll often uncover semi-hidden terraces or glassed-in overlooks. Scout early. Spend 30 minutes on embarkation day exploring with no agenda. Mark 2-day spots and 1-night spot you'll revisit. Sail smart. Build your daily rhythm around these sanctuaries, and the ship suddenly feels like your private resort. Number 8. Your cruise card is a control device. That tap-friendly card, or wristband, does far more than open your door. It's the ship's nervous system for identity, payments, access, and movement. Every interaction leaves a breadcrumb. Bar tabs, specialty dining, casino sessions, ShoreX timing, even queue priority for tender boats. Guest services and department leads can see snapshots of your trip in seconds. Useful for fixing problems, but also for deciding who gets surprise perks or closer oversight. What that means for you: spending visibility, your real-time balance, gratuities, package usage, and any declined charges are tracked. If a card stops working at the bar or gangway, it may be a billing flag. Solve it at guest services before it snowballs. Access control. Missed muster? Underage trying to enter an adults-only venue? The system knows. Some ships throttle access to sold-out events or loungers via scanned entry. Priority and perks. Loyal or high-spend guests may quietly receive invites, waitlist jumps, or in-cabin gifts. The flip side. Repeat complainers or account risks might find requests routed more carefully. Sail smart. Audit daily in the app. Catch package overlaps, accidental charges, or duplicate tips. Photograph receipts for big-ticket buys and spa treatments. It speeds corrections. Keep a backup payment method on file. Card expiries or bank fraud holds can freeze privileges at awkward moments. Guard your token. Treat it like a credit card. Don't lend it out. And report a loss immediately so it can be disabled. Close your folio early. Settle before the last night to avoid the checkout scrum, and ensure your debits, credits, and promos reconcile cleanly. Use the convenience without letting it use you. Number 7. Life below deck. Why kindness matters. The smiles are real, but so is the grind. Most crew live on the lowest decks in compact, windowless cabins, often sharing tight quarters with rotating shifts. Contracts run months on end, and 10 to 12-hour days without true days off are common. Add limited downtime, patchy internet, and strict hierarchies, and you get a picture of people performing hospitality at a high level while running on discipline and teamwork, more than rest. Why this matters to you. Fatigue and space constraints don't excuse poor service, but they do explain the laser focus on efficiency, the occasional wait at peak times, and why a sincere please or thank you lands like gold. Your kindness changes the temperature of interactions. Your patience can keep small hiccups from becoming big problems. And recognition travels fast. Commendations with a crew member's name can help with bonuses or promotions. Cabins to avoid. Lower decks near service arteries. Corridors by crew access doors, galleys, laundries, or service elevators hum late into the night, directly above or below venues. Theaters, nightclubs, pool decks, or gyms. Forward on anchoring mornings. Anchor chains and bow thrusters can rattle you awake at dawn. Choose instead midship on a higher deck, with cabins above and below you, and a short walk from, but not next to, elevators or stairwells. Always scan the deck plan 2 levels up and down before you book. Sail smart, tip in cash. Learn 2 names on day 1 and use them. Log compliments via the app or comment card. Names spelled right. Bring calm to problems. Frontline staff didn't set the policy, but they can often bend it for respectful guests. Kindness isn't just feel good. It's the fastest route to warmer service all cruise long. Number 6. Theft is often quietly handled. Cruise security exists, but the priority is calm, not spectacle. Unless a loss is large or clearly documented on camera, incidents are handled discreetly, and you'll often be guided toward insurance rather than an onboard CSI moment. Cameras help recover items when time, place, and suspects are clear. Vague timelines or crowded areas make resolution unlikely. Protect yourself. Use the in-room safe for passports, cash, jewelry, cameras, and spare phones. Travel light in port. Carry 1 card, limited cash, and keep bags zipped and crossbody. Don't broadcast valuables in public spaces. Avoid leaving items to hold loungers. Tag and log. Photograph suitcase contents and serial numbers. Consider an AirTag in luggage and camera bags. Report fast. Note exact time and location. Request an incident number and ask if CCTV can be reviewed for that window. Keep paperwork. Receipts for jewelry or electronics and photos of items speed insurance claims. Follow through. If unrecovered, file with travel insurance. Some policies require a police report at the next port. Ask guest services where to obtain one. These steps won't guarantee recovery, but they dramatically raise your odds and minimize the hassle if something does go missing. Number 5. Free. Perks are sales traps. Complimentary is the sweetest word at sea. Champagne at the art auction, a free spa consult, an invite-only tasting. But these are precision-engineered funnels that use reciprocity, anchoring, and social proof to convert curiosity into commission. The art room pairs bubbles with urgency. The spa pivots a 5-minute demo into a basket of can't leave without creams. Tastings crescendo toward a pricey bottle or package. Enjoy the perk. Skip the trap. Set a rule before you go. I'm here for the experience, not to buy. Say it out loud with your travel partner. Leave the card in the cabin or cap your spend in the app. Friction protects your wallet. Photograph prices and terms. Ask about cooling off periods or return policies. Many products don't have them. Sleep on it. If it won't be a deal tomorrow, it isn't a deal. Compare calmly. When you're back in your cabin, price check that serum or bottle against land prices you'd actually pay. Mind the bundles. Free facial with $299 kit still costs $299. Practice graceful exits. Thanks so much. Lovely presentation. We're passing today. Use the freebies for fun and flavor, not as a shopping list. Your future self will thank you. Number 4. Shore excursions. Safety, liability, and timing. Dream Day energy meets real-world logistics the moment you step off the gangway. Many tours are run by third-party operators with uneven training and maintenance standards, and the waiver you sign often limits a cruise line's responsibility if something goes wrong. The single biggest difference isn't the activity, it's the guarantee. Ship-booked tours are waited on. Independent tours are not. When to book with the ship, distance or complexity. All-day trips, long bus rides, ferries, border crossings, or mountain roads. Tender ports and late returns. Add uncertainty. The captain will wait for ship tours, not private vans. Tight schedules and short calls. Little margin for traffic, weather, or breakdowns. High-risk activities. Zip lines, ATVs, diving, where gear checks and standards matter. When independent can be great, and cheaper. Walkable or near-port beaches, museums, food tours, simple transit, hop-on buses, taxis with fixed fares. Small group specialists with stellar reviews, clear cancellation terms, and visible insurance. Red flags: skip it. Cash-only prepayment, no website or license number, vague meeting point, no refund for any reason. Poor equipment, no weight or age limits, or pressure tactics. Your safety and timing checklist: keep ship time, not local time. Set your phone to manual and add a 90 to 120 minutes buffer before all aboard. Verify operator credentials and safety gear. Get a live contact and exact pickup pin. Carry essentials: photo ID, key meds, sunscreen, a charged phone, emergency cash, and 1 credit card. Insurance proof: know your medical coverage and the claim steps if injured off-ship. Tender rule: add 30 to 45 minutes to any return plan. Plan B: have the next port schedule, cruise line emergency number, and embassy, consulate info saved. Book the right way for the day. Independent for easy, nearby fun. Ship tours for long, far, or high-stakes adventures. Number 3. Food freshness: what's cooked versus prepped. That showstopper buffet looks farm to table, but large-scale galley logistics tell a different story. To feed thousands safely at sea, ships rely on frozen proteins, seafood, steaks, chicken, par-baked pastries, and batch sauces and soups prepped ahead. Then finish items just in time. Breakfast standbys like scrambled eggs are often from liquid mix. Breads may be baked off from frozen dough. None of this is bad. It's how a floating hotel keeps variety, safety, and speed. But it means freshness varies by venue and timing. Where quality jumps, specialty restaurants typically use better cuts, tighter portion control, and à la minute cooking. Made-to-order stations: omelets, pasta, wok, stir-fry, beat steam table trays every time. Main dining room, MDR, sits between specialty and buffet. Banquet style but plated, with more consistent temperature and texture. Drinks reality check: juices at breakfast are often from concentrate. Premium venues may pour fresh squeezed. Coffee quality swings from bulk brew to decent espresso in cafes. Ask, then choose what's worth the upcharge. Sail smart: eat fresher without spending a fortune. Follow the sizzle: queue where you can watch it cooked. Dine earlier. Hit the buffet at opening or MDR first seating. Avoid the last 15 minutes of service. Order simple, well-executed dishes: grilled fish, roast chicken, steak frites travel better than intricate banquet builds. Ask for a fresh portion. Politely request a new slice when a tray looks tired. Use one specialty night for your wow meal. Book it on a sea day when kitchens aren't slammed by port return rushes. Communicate needs early: allergies, kosher, halal, vegetarian. Note them pre-cruise and again with your headwaiter. Hydrate smart: if you care about coffee or juice quality, plan O. Few targeted cafe splurges and skip mediocre refills elsewhere. With a little strategy, you'll taste the ship at its best. Crispy, hot, and cooked for you, not for the masses. Number 2. The casino: tougher but legal odds. The lights, the jackpots, the champagne toasts. It all feels like Vegas at sea. The difference is under the hood. Many ship casinos use server-based slots with payout settings the house can legally fine-tune, and table rules often run tighter. Blackjack that pays less for a natural, continuous shuffle machines that reshuffle every hand. Side bets with steep house edges, and roulette wheels with an extra zero. None of this is criminal rigging. It's policy and math that quietly shifts more expected value to the house. The showmanship amplifies it. Big wins get announced. Loyalty drawings create buzz, and free play keeps you in the chair. Your cruise card tracks play to offer comps, but comps rarely beat the long-run house edge. Treat the floor like a theater. Great fun when you know the script. Know the friendliest options: blackjack. Favor tables that pay the traditional full amount for a natural, where the dealer stands on soft 17 and late surrender is allowed. Watered-down rules raise the edge fast. Craps: stick to the pass and don't pass bets, and the come and don't come bets with maximum odds. Skip the center table proposition bets. Roulette: Choose wheels with fewer zeros. Both versions are negative, but fewer zeros means a fairer spin. Video poker. Only play full pay versions. Stripped paytables erase the value. Sail smart. Bankroll and behavior. Set a hard budget per day or session, and leave the main card in your cabin. Use a stop loss and a win goal. Play slower, smaller, more time on the floor, smoother swings. Skip side bets and insurance. They're edge engines. Cash out after a hit. Don't feed jackpots back chasing one more. Track offers, not hopes. Take the free drink. Don't earn it with extra spins. Enjoy the spectacle, but let entertainment, not expectation, decide your wagers. Number 1. Passenger profiling and tracking. Think no one's paying attention. The profile starts the moment you book. Your card logs, purchases, venue entries, dining times, casino play, and embark or disembark scans. Layer on human observation. Bartenders memorizing names and drinks, stewards swapping notes about preferences, maitre d's tracking table requests, and you get a living guest picture that shapes how the ship engages with you. What the profile does. Service triage. High-spend or loyal guests may get waitlist jumps, surprise amenities, or early invites. Risk and recovery. Unpaid balances, repeated policy friction, or chronic no-shows trigger closer oversight. Care signals. Allergies, accessibility needs, and special occasions travel through the system so teams can preempt issues. Crowd flow. Data helps shift staff to hot zones and nudge guests toward underused spaces. This isn't a conspiracy, it's hospitality at scale, but it means your reputation compounds, for better or worse. A guest who's warm with crew, clear about needs, and fair with tips tends to see smoother fixes, faster yeses, and the occasional unasked-for perk. A guest who escalates every hiccup or plays musical chairs with reservations often finds friction boomerangs back. Play it to your advantage. Set your tone early. Learn 2 crew names on day 1. Offer 1 concise service profile. Ask for it to be noted. Be predictably pleasant. Reasonable requests, please, thank you, and on-time arrivals build trust quickly. Tip with intent. A small cash thank you after standout moments travels farther than a last-night lump sum. Manage your footprint. Check the app nightly for charges, package overlaps, or errors, and resolve calmly before the last day. Escalate like a pro. State facts, desired outcome, and time frame. Ask that the resolution be added to your file. Close the loop. When someone saves your day, log a named compliment. Recognition helps their career and your future service. Bottom line, your data and demeanor co-author your voyage. Write a profile that earns, of course, instead of we'll see. Final word, the heartwarming truth. Behind the hustle, many crew say it's worth it. For the friendships, sunrises nobody sees, and guest moments that remind them why hospitality matters. Sail smart, be kind, and the ship feels warmer. If this helped, would you like to subscribe to Cruise Adventure and hit the bell so you don't miss new posts?